crafty friends! Today I'm unboxing the Spellbinders Handmade Holidays Christmas Card Kit. The first thing is a sheet with the contents listed and inspirational ideas. We have some double-sided tape and foam squares. Cards and envelopes to make 13 A2 size cards and 12 5x7 cards. A bag of light blue sequins. A clear stamp set with a bunch of sentiments. 2 sheets of chipboard stickers, some with sentiments and others are great embellishments. A sheet of rose gold gemstones in 3 different sizes. 2 sheets of stickers to use for sentiments and embellishments. A sheet of puffy sentiment stickers. A 6x6 paper pad with 20 different designs. Comes with 2 of each. And some of these sheets are gold foiled, and I really like the variety of this pad. This pack of die-cut floral pieces, 2 of each design. I noticed that some are gold foiled as well. A pack of die cuts full of sentiments and Christmas ephemera. And finally, there's a pack of letter-sized paper. You get 18 sheets and they coordinate perfectly with the rest of the kit. And that completes the contents of this card making box. I will be posting a video on the cards I made from this box. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching and have a crafty day.